Hello friends, hope you guys are well. So today I'm gonna share an app with you. Without any investment, you can earn about $3 to $4 per day. You can work on this app from anywhere in the world. If you want, you can take your payment on PayPal also. Today I'm gonna share the best earning app with you. I saw many payment proof on this app. After watching that, I'm sharing this app with you. So watch the full video. If you don't, you can understand anything about this app and the rules, etc. If you don't follow these rules, you can take the payment. Every work have rules. So watch the full video. First of all, go to the Play Store. Then search Bongo Cash, BONGOCASH, Bongo Cash. Then you can see this app here. I already installed it. You can see the ratings here, 4.1. It's a good rating. It's a new app also. You can see the reviews also. These are good reviews. I told you this is a really good app. You can work on this app and take your payment day by day. After taking the payment, you can give a good review here and type good app. Now go back and search Super VPN. You can see I already installed it. To work on this app, you also need a VPN. Now go back and go to the VPN you installed. Click on it. Then wait for a few seconds. And you can see the VPN is loading now. Wait. Cancel this ad. Now click on this corner icon. Then connect US. To work on this app, you need to connect US or UK. Then click on continue and connect the VPN. Wait for this few seconds and escape the ad. Now you can see the VPN is connected, and go back and press on this Bongo Cash app. Press on it, open the app. Wait few seconds, the app is loading. You can see after loading the app, you can see an interface like this. Now click on this sign up with email. Click on it. Then you have to put your full name here, enter your email address, then enter your password and confirm your password again. After doing this all, you have to click on this accept and terms condition, then click on this sign up. After doing this, you will have an account, then you can work on this app. After doing that, you have to put your email address and password, then click on sign up. Now you guys can see our account is ready. You can see here our account. Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna work on this app. You can see your balance here. It is 0 because it is our new account. You can see the daily checking, spin wheel, watch video, redeem balance. These are the works. Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna work. First of all, click on this go icon on daily checking bonus. You can see the second one, spin wheel. Click on this go icon. Now you can see you can earn money by spinning. You can see 3 spins here. Lucky spin, spin win anytime. Click on this play spin icon. After click on this, you can see 11 attempts here. Now click on this play spin. Click on it. Now you can see we collected 1 point. Now click on this collect. Now you have to wait 8 seconds, then spin again. You can see here, congratulations, you win 1 point. Now click on this spin play icon again, then wait and see how many points you got. Now you can see we got 10 points. Now click on this collect. Then you have to wait few seconds, 10 seconds again. I'll escape the video. Now you can see we got 50 points. Now you can play the other lucky spin. Click on this play spin icon. Now you can see the same icon here. You have to play 11 times. Now click on this play spin and wait. You can see we got 3 points. Now collect it, then wait 11 seconds more. Like this you can play these others and collect points. Now go back. You can see this watch video and win coin. Click on it, then you can see you can earn money by watching video. You can see the first one, watch video win prize anytime. Now click on this watch now. Click on it. Now you can see the watch icon here. Click on this icon. Now you can see we already got 40 points. Collect it and wait 20 seconds. Now you can see we already got 100 plus points. You can play the other one like this. Now go back again. You can see the redeem balance here. Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna take your payment. Now you can see the redeem balance here. You have to convert this coin into the cents, then you can take the payment. Now click on this go icon. You can see there are many playthrough icons here. Now go back and click on this redeem icon here. Click on it. Then you can see through PayPal, through Paytm, through bKash, through Bitcoin, and through Skrill and Amazon gift card and Google gift card. Click on the Paytm icon. If you have PayPal, you can click on the PayPal icon. I have Paytm, so I am clicking on this Paytm icon. Click on this redeem and put your Paytm address here. Then click on this redeem request. You have to minimum about $10 on your account, so you can get the payment. It's easy to earn $10. You can see we already get 0.6 cents on every click. Also you can invite your friends by clicking on this refer friend. Then guys, thanks for watching the full video. Hope you guys like the video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So goodbye.